Movie Aakhri Rasta, one of the finest movies of Bollywood. It's very entertaining with good songs. It talks about David who was in love with Mary, but David was an uneducated but a gullible man who had a good heart. And so Mary declined the offer. She was about to marry a man of her caste, but she just ran away from the wedding scene and she chose David. Both of them led a happy life, but there was one political figure, Sadashiv Amrapurkar, who Chaturvedi, his name was. He was very corrupt, and David used to like him, not only like, idolize him. And once he got his attention on Mary, he was carried away by her beauty and raped her. And that time they had a child who was just an infant, and she committed suicide because of that, with a handwritten note that don't trust Chaturvedi, he is the one who actually brought me to this state. She committed, and the blame was put on David, and he had to languish in jail for long 24 years because Chaturvedi had two friends. One was a cop and the other was a doctor. All three of them were of the same plate. They were very close to each other and helped each other. That's why Chaturvedi escaped. And later on, after 24 years, when he's out of jail, he was full of vengeance, and one by one he kills all three of them. But in the process, he comes to know that his son is a cop and look-alike of Big B. And Anupam Kher, who was the closest buddy of David, Mahesh Chandlia, by that time he had become a wealthy man by selling liquor. And he actually told David's son, young Amitabh Vijay, that he's the father. And what exactly happened, that he had to even kidnap, David kidnapped Sri Devi, who was supposedly his girlfriend, Vijay's girlfriend, and DIG's daughter. And later on he came to know that she is going around with Vijay when he saw the locket. And the time when she is kidnapped, that is something which I found it very weird. It is weak direction. When you are kidnapped, you don't have any feelings, right? You will not feel hungry, right? You just want to escape. And she told him that she is starving since morning, she didn't have anything. And then he brought even burgers. Those are things which should be deleted. But otherwise, three constables were there. They were quite hilarious, who were under Vijay. They used to crack silly jokes. So movie basically ended on a happy or a sad note. That's about for the viewers to decide, because he was killed finally, Sadashiv. But the thing is that 24 years, long years, which he spent in jail, that he lost his entire youth. And the movie, the last scene can be the best scene, because and even the conversation between father and son in English, that's really amazing. And the way he was killed, because Vijay thought that he is successful in capturing his dad in the last scene, but the dad was just pretending. He just got up and shot on his forehead, and he died. So I'll give 5 stars.